Hey, welcome to episode 29. So a little bit different today. I like to go over really taking action. There's not enough of that nowadays. People talk a lot about, oh, let's plan or let's strategize, or I have this amazing idea, but that's all they have, right? It's actually, so strategy, I would say, is 20%, or the planning 20%, or the idea, again, 20%. It's the execution, the 80%. I mean, you look at Uber, you look at Lyft, you look at all these great brands out there. They're not the first ones to come up with this idea. It's all about execution, how well they execute. So here I am at Macomb Community College, and I'm going to, and we talked about it before, I'm going to go in there and try to find the marketing person, and maybe I can get in touch with them and connect with them and see if there are ways where we can work together. So who knows, right? So wish me luck, and you guys stay tuned. See you in the next episode. Bye.